Then his next point, if now he has suppose he have rush order, and so its priority field 120, it's highest number, largest number. So when you push reschedule button, it comes to top of June 2nd. But he said it's not good, because I probably think that workers prepare for the next day. So this makes them useless and confuse workers. So he used Asprova fix function. Then back to previous position scene, and put your mouse work area but not on operations, and drag. You can see square line appeared and cover all operations in June 2nd, and stop and push this button. You can see same mark has appeared those operations bottom. This means those are fixed. Then able this rush orders and push reschedule button. You'll see it comes June 3rd, not June 2nd.